Understanding roasting temperature in cooking. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the culinary world to understand a very specific but crucial concept, roasting temperature. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about cooking, knowing about roasting temperatures will greatly improve your kitchen skills. Let's get started. Roasting temperature refers to the heat setting in an oven or roasting environment used to cook food, particularly meats and vegetables. This temperature is pivotal because it ensures that the food is cooked thoroughly, becoming tender, juicy, and flavorful. Different foods require different roasting temperatures, which can range from low, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius, to high, 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius, depending on the desired outcome. The importance of roasting temperature cannot be overstated. It directly affects the texture, flavor, and color of the food. A correct roasting temperature ensures even cooking, ensures the food cooks uniformly, preventing raw or overly dry parts. Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction that occurs at higher temperatures, giving roasted foods a distinctive flavor and brown color. Food safety, reaching the right temperature is crucial for killing harmful bacteria. Determining the right temperature involves considering the type of food, size, and desired doneness. Here are some general guidelines. Meats, beef, pork, and lamb typically roast well between 325 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius to 190 degrees Celsius. Poultry like chicken and turkey require similar temperatures. Vegetables. Most vegetables roast best at higher temperatures, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius to 218 degrees Celsius, to achieve a caramelized exterior and tender interior. Seafood. Seafood roasts quickly and at lower temperatures, usually around 375 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius to 204 degrees Celsius, depending on the thickness. Preheat your oven. Always start with a preheated oven to ensure even cooking. Use a thermometer. A meat thermometer can help you roast meats to the perfect temperature, ensuring food safety and desired doneness. Consider the size. Larger cuts of meat or whole vegetables may require lower temperatures for a longer time to cook evenly. Understanding and mastering roasting temperatures can elevate your cooking game, ensuring delicious, safe, and perfectly cooked meals every time. Experiment with different temperatures and foods to find what works best for you. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.